Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will show you how to check steel reinforcement for column and how to execute column as per drawing. Basically this procedure is following in all the GCC countries, especially in Dubai. I working since 7 years in Dubai and I have completed about 8 to 9 projects in this duration, and now I will show you how to check steel reinforcement as per drawing and how to execute the column step by step. So this is our new project. Actually this is basement plus 10 floors, and now only we casted rough foundation, and after rough foundation we started. See, this is the retaining wall, and now we are proceeding for column steel reinforcement and retaining wall. So this is our project, and beginning stage just we casted rough foundation, and after rough foundation we started steel reinforcement fixation for column. All the steel reinforcement done for column. Just we will check with consultant. After getting approval we will proceed for shutter and concreting, then we will proceed for ground floor slab, because this is the basement. In this building we have basement and 10 floors. So this is the drawing with me, column layout at foundation level part 1. So this is the column layout and foundation level. Just we casted rough foundation and then we started column from basement to ground floor. So this is layout. In layout I will show you just one column. For example, this C8. So C8 I will show you how to check C8 this is as per drawing or not. So for C8 we will check the schedule, because in all the Dubai and GCC countries the same procedure is following. They will give you one number, code number for the column, like this one is C8. For C8 detail we will check schedule. So for example, this C8 we will come down. This is C8. What is the size of column? 1 meter by 30 cm. So the column size 1 meter by 30, and this is separate rings details. How much stirrups? 1 2 3 4 stirrups is there. And this is detail for main bars. Main bars mean vertical bars. Vertical bar is, for example, this is main bar. So how much? 14 T20. So there is vertical bar is 14 T20. And detail for stirrups, this is stirrups. What is detail? 4. It means 4 number of stirrups. Die of stirrups T10, and spacing 100 or 150. It's mean 10 cm or 15 cm. Why this 10 cm and 15 cm? Because the 10 cm is in our lap area. In down from the loft till 1 meter will be 10 cm, and up it will be 15 cm. I will show you in the executed column practically what is this 10 cm and 15 cm spacing. So this is the drawing, how to read the drawing and plan. So now we will go to practically. I will show you how to check. So this is the C8 column. The C8 column. So guys, now I will show you how to check steel reinforcement first column and what is the main technical tips to fix the column. So first of all we need to check the drawing is approved or not. We need to check as per approved shop drawing, and which is the final drawing. So we will check as per the final drawing. The second things, before checking the column we have to make sure that the column on location or not. And normally in GCC countries and Dubai there is one team like site engineer, surveyor, quantity surveyor, foreman. For confirmation of column location, we will call to surveyor. He will give us coordinate points like this. This is our reference coordinate points. He give this 3 or 4 points. So from this point, the steel fixer or steel foreman, they will execute the column as from this point. After fixing shutter, we can check the column location from this point also. So after checking the approved drawing, then location of column, the third thing is main bar in the column as per drawing. So in this column, this is C8, so we have 14 main bar verticals with 20. So T20 14 vertical bar in this column C8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 this side, 6 in other side, so 12, and 2 in sides, 1 and 2, so total bars is 14. Okay, then size of column. So we need to check size of column. So this is in the drawing 1 meter column. How much will be the steel? If column is 1 meter, steel need to be 92, 91 or 92. See, this is 92. Column in the drawing concrete is 1 meter, so steel should be 92, because 4 cm one side cover, 4 cm another side cover, so the total will be 1 meter. This is length of column. Okay, 92. Now we will check width of column. How much? 22. What is concrete of column? 30. So steel how much? 22. So 4 cm one side cover, 4 cm another side cover, so it's coming 30. 22 plus 4 plus 4, it's 30. So the size of column is okay. So what is the next things we need to check in the column steel reinforcement is stirrups. So how much stirrups in this column C8 is per drawing? 4, as I show you. One is this full ring rectangular, see this full ring. 2 is triangular, 1 2, and 1 in the center is square. So then spacing of column, as per drawing, how much is spacing? 10 cm. See, 10 cm, 10 cm, 10 cm. So till 1 meter, as I told you, as per our drawing. Till 1 meter, it should be 10 cm, 10 cm. Then what we need to check? We need to check the cover block. See, this is the concrete spacer or cover block. We need to fix before close the shutter cover blocks. So they already fixed there. Like after 1 meter, one is there. See, this is another one, like one. Okay guys, the next thing we need to check our lap of steel. So this is T20, our lap should be 1 meter, because of we follow 50 dia as per our drawing and specifications. We making our lap 50 dia. So what is dia of steel? 20 into 50, it's coming 1000 mm. 1000 mm mean 1 meter. See guys, 1 meter. See, 1 meter. Our lap is 1 meter. So after checking the column steel reinforcement, or before the closing the shutter, we need to make sure there is any MEP services like this or not. If there is any MEP service, we need to coordinate with MEP contractor to fix conduits for lighting or fire alarm or anything. So we need to make sure that there is any services or no. After fixing MEP services, then we will proceed for closing shutter like this. So this column C steel. After getting steel approved and checking, we are proceeding for shutter. We already fixed this one column shutter.